Maharashtra government now releases new unlock orders. Even in this, no word on opening up of religious places. Big news coming in from Maharashtra, even as the government now releases fresh unlock orders. No word is yet on opening up of religious places in the state. So far, while every other business activity opens up, religious places of worship have been closed until further notice. Not just temples, you have mosques, churches, every place of worship remains shut in Maharashtra in view of COVID-19 spread. Of course, the Maharashtra government claiming that business activities to be opened up is a must for revenue to come in, but religious places, they fear that gatherings would take place, and this comes even during the festive time. The festive season is fast approaching, and yet Maharashtra government hasn't opened up places of worship. The fresh orders of unlock Maharashtra comes about. In fact, Maharashtra government releases these fresh orders for a new unlock phase. But yet, temples, on word of temples and other places of worship have not been made by the Maharashtra government. Sahil Joshi joining us live. Sahil, after all that backlash, yet Maharashtra does not mention a word about opening up of places of worship. Even the new unlock orders, no word on temples, mosques or churches being opened up, even as the festive season is fast approaching.
Absolutely, Nabila. The Maharashtra government, it looks like that refused to buckle down under pressure from the governor and the main opposition party, that is BJP. Despite their agitation yesterday, today's orders, which has been released by the Maharashtra government just a while back, clarifies that it doesn't mention, of course, the religious places in the order, but what has been allowed has been clearly mentioned. So from 15th of October, the metro rail will start functioning. Of course, there will be certain guidelines and regulations for that. The libraries, the government or the private libraries will start functioning. The shops have been allowed to open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So that there will be more time and there will not be large crowds out in open. The teachers can attend schools with the 50% capacity, but of course, in the end, it has mentioned no other activity, large congregations will not be allowed in state of Maharashtra at least till 31st of October. So that means the religious places have not been opened yet. That is very clear by this new order altogether. Now the government is, of course, mulling the option of giving permission to open up certain religious places. That's what has been told to us by the government sources, but they are not going to rush for it because right now the number of cases in the state of Maharashtra are still high, and especially in cities like Mumbai, Pune and other main cities, the cases are still rising, and looking at that, they fear that if they open up the places of worship or the religious gatherings, then it will attract bigger crowds, and that might create further problems, because during the Ganpati festival, after the Ganpati festival actually, it was seen that there was a big rise in the number of cases in the state of Maharashtra, and that's why the government is not yet ready to open up the religious gatherings and places of worship.
Right, Sahil Joshi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Even as new unlock orders for Maharashtra comes in, no word on places of worship as yet.